What up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am swatching all of the yellow eyeshadow I have. So if you want to see all of the yellow eyeshadows I have, which is 13 total, keep on watching. Welcome back to another random video I decided to grace the internet with. So in today's video, I often, when I'm late at night, I've already taken my makeup off, whatever the situation may be, I love to go through my own makeup collection. I keep looking at it. And like dupe out certain colors or see how many bronze colors I have or coppery bronze colors I have or blues or greens or whatever it may be. So what I wanted to share today is all of the yellow eyeshadows. I've been watching a lot of a certain YouTuber, you've probably seen her, name is Theresa is dead, but she's very much alive. And she said this thing called Quest for Yellow, and now she's on a quest for green, but I personally am always on a quest for yellow, so I have 13 yellow shadows that I wanted to share with you today. I did have a few more. I decided to take everything that was more mustard and anything that was shimmery that was more on the gold side of life. So that way we are literally dealing with yellow. What I do want to say, or I guess my disclaimer, I never thought I'd see the day of putting a disclaimer in a video because I don't care. I'm not showing you the quality of these or comparing one over the other. I'm just going to swatch all of them and show you them in general. But I will like layer and build things up, blend things out so that way everything is nice and pigmented so you can actually see the differences or the literal identical shades that I have. So that's that. So without further ado, let's get started. So at first I have, this is the only liquid eyeshadow that I have out of everything. Everything else is powder. This is the Loreal Infallible paints. It's a duo and I couldn't care less about the silver on the other side. It's great, I don't care. I'm not a silver fan, but this yellow though. So that's an amazing base for any yellow eyeshadow, a cream yellow. Next up I have the Lime Crime plushies. This is the Fresh Squeezed Sheer Pigment Quad Squad. The shade Jackfruit. Alright, next I can't even remember if this is the Calm After the Storm or the Calm Before the Storm or the Storm itself, I don't fucking know. But this is by Kylie Jenner. But this yellow is called Sunshine. Up next, the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Artist Palette. I actually put pieces of paper inside of all these because I went through and looked up all the numbers on my ABH palettes and it says, look at this. How old am I? This is the shade Fresh. If you've never seen this palette, it's beautiful. Okay. Next, this is the Suva Beauty Block Party and the shade Lemonade. Lemonade. Then I have the Clover palette with the dog butt that says Yas, right across the ass. And I'm gonna swatch the shade Good Boy. The sad freaking reality about this palette is that I clowned on this palette before I bought it. I was like, what the fuck? Oh my god, no. Like, no. And it took, I think it was just one picture that Makeup Shayla posted and just this beautiful eye look, and I looked up, I was like, what palette was that? And I saw it was this one, I was like, damn it. So I went and swatched it in store, and I was like, it's gonna be a dry mess, this is stupid, whatever. And it wasn't. I was just like, then it ended up being like, honestly, one of the top 5-6 palettes I would choose of everything I got last year, TBH. Now we're starting to get into some of the different color yellows. Next is my little mini sugar pill palette. This is the shade Butter Cupcake. So, for my next stack, going in with the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette in the shade Mango. Oh, yeah, look, I swatched it on my left hand. Fucking dumbass. I literally just flip out when I have to use my right hand for anything because I'm super damn duper left-handed. Next, the palette with no shade names. The yellow from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. The one palette in the entire collection that has no shade names. Not bitter at all, because she's quite lovely. Up next, Natasha Denona Sunset palette in the shade Soul. She's got grace, she's got style, she's got taste, she's a lady. Oh, look, I did it again. Son of a bitch. You're using your right hand now. So I went through and I put all of these, like, I wrote them down in a little spreadsheet, like in the order I wanted to swatch them. And I broke it up into like what's on one arm and what's on the other arm. So that way, like, I could look and be like, oh, I need a darken number 4. And not be like an idiot and be like, I can't remember what shade this is. So I'm feeling really good about my intelligence today. Yay, Allison. Hooray for Allison. Snaps for Allison. Next, this is a Tiki by ColourPop. Next up is this yellow shade right here. It's technically, these are all just numbers on the back. It's number 13 in the NYX Swear By It palette. I swear by it. Oh my god. I was about to use my hand again. My left hand. Because I'm so smart today. And lastly, so this is Melt Cosmetics. This is the shade Neon. Neon. Did I just shit glitter? What happened? Now let's look at it in a different one. So, real quick, L'Oreal Infallible Paints Duo 312 in Jet Set Blonde, the Lime Crime Plushies in Jackfruit. This is the Kylie Jenner Storm Palette in Sunshine, the ABH Artist Palette in Fresh, Suva Beauty Block Party in Lemonade, the Too Faced Clover Palette in Good Boy, and last is the Sugar Pill Butter Cupcake shade. This is Dominique Cosmetics, the Lemonade palette in Mango, yellow from the Zulu palette, Juvia's Place. It's just fucking banging yellow, like great yellow. Natasha Denona Sunset palette in Soul, ColourPop in the shade Tiki. This is the NYX Swear By It palette, and then this is Melt Cosmetics Neon. Boom! Like, can you tell I'm sitting in front of a fucking bright light? There's my quest for yellow. My runner-ups, my mustard shades, were this Jaclyn Hill palette is going to do this mustard here called Access. This is just extra footage. I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Then I was going to swatch the ones from the Subculture palette. That's the shade Edge, which looks so yellow in the pan, and it goes all the way down to that. Right. Which is so fascinating because realistically, if you look at these two shades next to each other, Edge is a lot lighter than Access in the pan. This is Edge, this is Access. And then when you look at them on the arm, this is Access, this is Edge. Edge is actually darker than Access, which is, oh my god, I'm covered in yellow. Dream come true. For anyone that's wondering what's on my face, I did a review, which will be a separate video, of the Laura Mercier, the Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation, so make sure you check that video out as well. I hope you enjoyed my quest for yellow, or me swatching all of my yellow eyeshadows. I've pulled out all these palettes and they've been sitting here so that way I can do it, and now I can finally organize them back into their actual homes and get my countertop back. Winning! Okay, anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like on this video if you enjoyed something so random like this. If you have another color or you want me to fish out of my collection, boy howdy, I'm probably already gonna do it and you don't even have to ask. What am I saying? Anywho, I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye!